Hello everyone, I am Dr. Harsha Parecha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is about types of data. So before we begin, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. So let's get started. First of all, let us see what is data. Data can be defined as a systematic record of a particular quantity, like data is a measurement or observation that are collected as a source of information. Data could be any number, words, any kind of observation, etc. Now, in statistics, the data is collected, then it is analyzed, and then the results are presented. So data plays a very crucial role. Now, data is of two types. The first one is categorical data and the second one is numerical data. Let us see the types of data in detail. The first type is categorical data. As it is, the name suggests category. The data here represents the categories. Now, the second type is numerical data. Here, the data which is collected is numerical in form. Furthermore, categorical data can be divided into nominal data and ordinal data. On the other hand, numerical data can be divided into interval and ratio. Now let us go ahead and see each one of them in detail. First of all, nominal data. It is, as I already told you, categorical data type. Okay, it describes the qualitative characteristics of any group. Okay, one important thing here to notice is it doesn't have any sort of order or rank between the categories. Okay, it is just the labels that we provide to the variables. Okay, it cannot be ordered and measured as I have told you now. For example, gender is a nominal data. You can give female number 1, male number 2. You can denote it. Okay, eye color, blood type, brand of the refrigerator, vehicle, etc. These are all examples of nominal data. Let us go ahead and see what is ordinal data. First of all, ordinal data is also categorical data. Okay, same as nominal data, but the only difference here is the ordinal data, it possesses or it follows the ranking system. Okay, as the name suggests, there is an order between the options. Ordinal data oblique variable is a type of data that follows an order. It follows an order, or you can also say it rank. The difference between the number here doesn't make any sense. You can say that, or you can understand the difference between two categories or two variables. It is not necessary that the difference will be the same. Okay. For example, income level, low income, middle income, high income, even the level of agreement, strongly disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. These can be called as ordinal data. Okay, good, better, best. What is the difference between ordinal and nominal data? The only difference between them is nominal data doesn't follow ranking pattern, but ordinal data does. Okay, higher number of rank means more of a uh, particular property. Okay, for example, high income means the particular person has more income or earns more income as compared to the other one. Okay, this is the difference between ordinal and nominal. Nominal is just denoting the categories by number, but here in ordinal data we give the ranking to the categories. Let us go ahead and see the next type of data form, which is interval data. Now interval data is numerical type of data. Okay, if you can connect this one with the ordinal one, what you will see here, ordinal data follows ranking order. Even in this, it is the same case with interval data. It also follows the order, but here the difference is the spaces between the measurement points are equal. As I told you, like for example, from A to B, B to C, the space in between or the distance in between or the measurement in between is considered as equal. Okay. Now, another important point which we should keep in mind in this case, interval data, here the data points, there is no true zero in it. There is no absolute zero in this data. Now, what does it mean? Let us try to understand this with an example. For example, a temperature of 0 degree. Okay, it doesn't mean that there is no temperature at all. Okay, there is still temperature. Okay, so this is the meaning that no absolute zero exists in interval data. What can be another example for this? For example, credit score. Okay, for example, the scores of some examination. Okay, two important things we need to keep in mind in case of interval data. The first one is equal measurement points, and the second one is no absolute zero exists. Okay, so with the help of this figure, you can easily identify or you can see the properties of interval data. The first one is we can measure interval data. Of course, it is a numerical type of data. The second, ordered, yes, we can give them ranking. It is we can give them order. Okay, equidistance, the distance between two things, the distance between two variables or 2 points are equal, and the last one is there is no meaningful zero in it. Okay, I hope you understood the interval data. Now let us come to the last type of data, that is ratio. So ratio data is also a numerical type of data. Okay, similar to ordinal and interval data, ratio data can also be ordered and ranked. Okay, and the difference between 2 points is also consistent. It can be measured. Okay, the only difference between ratio and interval data is that here 0 point reflects an absolute zero. 0 point जो है यहाँ पे absolute zero है. The way we have seen in interval, there is no absolute zero. Here there is absolute zero. Okay, now let us try to understand this with an example. For example, weight. If I am saying zero weight, that means no weight at all. That is the meaning that absolute zero exists. 0 marks means no marks at all. Okay, another example for this could be length of time, duration. 0 seconds means no seconds. 0 hours, no hours at all. Okay, this is an important point we must keep in mind, that ratio data you can see 0 point is absolute, and in case of interval data 0 point is not absolute. No, 0 point is not absolute. Okay, this is what makes ratio data the most sophisticated level of measurement. Okay, I hope you people understood the types of data. Let us do quick revision of the same. Now see, in case of nominal data, these are categories, you can put labels to it. In case of ordinal data, again these are categories, you can label them as well as you can give ranks to this categories. Next, interval data, categories, you can label them, order them, and it has equal intervals. And the last one is ratio data, in which you will find all the four properties. Categories, you can label them, you can rank them, it has equal distance from one point to the other, and it has a true meaningful zero. Okay, I hope you people understood this concept, types of data, and सो इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो यहाँ खत्म होता है। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।